Here is this case, say that the momentum is increased by 20% and kinetic energy is increased by, we know the kinetic energy formula, that is equal to P square over 2m. If momentum is increased by 20%, then we can write it as P plus 20 by 100 P. So P dash is equal to P plus 0.2 P 1.2 P. So we can write it as, this is initial kinetic energy, this change in kinetic energy after momentum is increased by 20%, P dash square over 2m. So kinetic energy dash is equal to P dash is equal to 1.2 P square over 2m. 1.2 का whole square is equal to 1.44 P square over 2m. That is the P square over 2m, that is equal to kinetic energy. So here we write kinetic energy dash is equal to 1.44 kinetic energy, that is the initial. So this kinetic energy we can write it as kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy plus 0.44 kinetic energy. This shows that how much increase in kinetic energy. So we can write it as 44 by 100. Kinetic energy we can write it in percentage form. So this formula is shows that kinetic energy increase by 44%. So here is the correct option is option A, that is the 44%. Now we discuss the other MCQ, that is if the kinetic energy of a body become 4 times of its initial value, the new momentum will be, we know the kinetic energy formula, that is equal to P square over 2m. So here m is constant, so we can write it as kinetic energy is equal to P square and P is equal to under root kinetic energy. If kinetic energy increase 4 times, then momentum will become, this kinetic energy become 4 times. So this can write it as 2 under root into kinetic energy, that is kinetic energy is equal to P, so P dash is equal to 2P. So this equation shows that momentum will increase by 2 times. So here is the correct option is option A, the momentum become twice of its initial value. Now we discuss the MCQ strategy. Two body with kinetic energy in the ratio 4:1 are moving with equal linear momentum. The ratio of their masses is, the two body with kinetic energy, that is the ratio is kinetic energy 1 and kinetic energy 2 in the ratio of 4:1. So we know the kinetic energy formula, that is equal to P square over 2m. In this case, momentum are equal. So kinetic energy is inversely proportional to mass. So we can write it as kinetic energy for 1, kinetic energy ratio for 2 is equal to m2 over m1. So in this case, kinetic energy ratio is given. So we can write 4 over 1 is equal to m2 over m1. So the ratio of the mass is, you can write as m1 over m2 is equal to 1 over 4. So m ratio m2 is equal to 1 ratio 4. The ratio of the mass is 1 ratio 4.